working weekend. I'm so excited to be here. I actually need to take this off because it's time to do our makeup and get ready for the night. Cooper and I are in Deer Valley for the weekend. The ski resort, the town, everything, I guess, is hosting us. They invited us to come out to ski, to enjoy everything that this area has to offer. And guys, the itinerary that they planned is absolutely unreal. Like, I was reading it the day before we got here, so yesterday, and Cooper and I were shook at what we're gonna be doing this weekend. I'm so excited. So far today, we just checked into our hotel. It's ski in, ski out, which is absolutely insane. And then we walked around Park City for a little bit because it's just a short drive away. I've actually never been to Deer Valley before, but I've been to Park City and I've been to like other resorts in the Salt Lake area, but different canyon. Well, I've skied at Park City. Love Park City, love the vibes in the town. It's such a cute little town and like good skiing. Also, every time I've come to Utah, the powder has been absolutely insane. So hopefully we get lucky with that again. I do think we are going to on Saturday. I think it's gonna be a powder day. I am running late, like always. Good thing I already have my outfit picked out, so hopefully getting ready will be a quick process. I'm ready 2 minutes early and I'm faster than you.
That is literally the first time that has ever happened.
Okay, super fun thing about this jacket. Fur is removable. Should I remove the fur for this particular outfit? I feel like the fur's kind of long for this. Yay! Fit check! Dinner was not what I was expecting at all, but it was so amazing and such a cool experience.
We got there, we sat down, and we were like, this is a ski lodge, what's going on, right? And it was like a buffet style, so we're like, well, what the hell? And then the waiter comes up to us and he's like, what's up guys, we got like 4-course meals, everything's heated by the fire, we got a rack of lamb hanging up over there, we got raclette melting off the station over there. Bada bing, bada boom. We got a chocolate fountain fall coming down from the fireplace for dessert. It's pretty good. It was pretty good.
It was so delicious. There was cheese melting by the fireplace that we were sitting next to. Also, the fact that we got to sit by the fire was so cozy. And then the next course was soup and salad. The soup was cooking by the fire, and then they cooked lamb. They were roasting lamb over the fire, and then ended with dessert, and it was divine.
Yeah, it was good. I enjoyed it thoroughly. I ate way too much.
The name of the restaurant was Fireside Dining. Also, highly recommend if you're ever in Deer Valley. Okay, good night.
It's a view.
Good morning. Do you like my ski hat? I'm wearing it because we're gonna be skiing today. Did you get it? So clever of me. But first, before skiing, we're going snowmobiling. I'm excited. Cooper and I got to go, just the two of us, and then that other group we rode with to get to the snowboarding place, no, snowmobiling place, did their own thing. So it was fun. It was just the two of us and our like guide, and the views were insane. We got to snowmobile around this ranch that was like 7,000 acres large. I honestly had no idea where we were the whole time, but I was a little nervous because driving scares me, so I was just eyes on the road the whole time. We're gonna go ski to lunch now. We're staying ski in, ski out. So we're gonna hop on the lift, ski to lunch, and then go skiing the rest of the day. Yay! Do something cool. You're so good at that. Should we talk so you can get there the fastest?
In the bubble. The heated bubble.
This chairlift is heated and in a bubble. In the heated bubble.
The heated bubble. Just missing a shitter. That's it.
You want a bathroom in here?
That'd be nice.
We were just asked if we're ready to party because we're on our way to the vintage room at the St. Regis. Got hooked up with VIP, which is crazy. Right now, we're about to go to dinner in Deer Valley, obviously, and I'm slightly hammered. I think I had a little bit too much fun at the vintage room. Anywho, I'm changing. I brought a bag full of clothes because I wanted to change into a really cute outfit because one of my friends from college, her mother started this new company called Barbie Boots, and it's this like cowboy boot brand, and they sell the cutest cowboy boots ever, and you can change the ribbon. Let me show you. Okay, the whole idea is that you can change the ribbon in the back. How fun is that? Oh my god, they're so stunning. So my outfit is basically around them. I wanted to look cute, but there's no way I was gonna go from like apres-ski to like nice dinner without bringing it back. So one second, let me change. Okay guys, I did it. We got the dress, we got the boots. I love it.
Look at the size of this absolute loogie.
That's going down.
Kind of nervous.
Because you're not very big. Oh yeah.
Not good?
It was slimy, for sure. There's nothing to chew. No, it wasn't good.
Good morning, guys. Except for it's not morning. However, it is a powder day. Hey, cute.
Hello.
Hello. It's gonna be such a good day. Time to freaking ski, baby. Woo! There he goes. Disappeared into the abyss. Your turn. Woo! not gonna lie to you guys. I've been having a rough day because I am hungover from the vintage room. However, today is another day, which means it's time to go après again because we're done skiing. Is this what they call hair of the dog? This better be insane. I would like to know that I have never in my life ordered something on a menu this expensive before. We're not paying for this, otherwise I would not be doing this. We're still humble, guys. Après, always good time. The grilled cheese was so good and the après was so fun. The DJ was great. And now it's time to grub for dinner. Dinner. Food. I'm ready.
My lord.
We just got back to our hotel. We opted out of going out tonight. Proud of us, even though we did do a little apres-ski. But I brought face masks that Cooper and I really wanted to do together. So we figured we'd spend the night in, have a little relaxing night. Also, in the morning, we are doing first tracks and we have to be at a separate base, like not where we are at 8 in the morning. Possibly all packed up, ready to go because we're leaving tomorrow. So I figured tonight was like way better just to like have a chill night. Spa night in the Donner Johnson hotel room.
I've never put one of these on.
Feels nice.
What are you doing? What is this thing?
Did you look at me?
I'm not sure if I want to be involved in all this.
Look at me. My beauty queen. Morning. Guess what we're doing today? Can you guess?
Skiing.
We're hitting first tracks. It's 8 in the morning and we just got on the chairlift. The chairlift's,
Ooh, nice.
normally don't open until 9, so it's a fancy day.